Hello friends and welcome to Leo English sub lecture number 26, and today we are going to learn a new tense on this lecture. Before we move ahead, I would like to request you to subscribe our channel, and also those who are new to our channel, I would request them to go to our playlist section and start learning from the very first lecture in our playlist, and step by step this is how you can learn very systematic English speaking, writing, and whatever grammar topics you want to learn. That is the best way to learn. So now you can see on your screen simple present tense was the first tense, and today we are going to learn simple past tense, and the formula for this tense is subject plus verb to plus object, and in negative subject plus did plus not plus verb plus object. I have given the specification for the initials of verb, like verb simple form of the verb and verb to means the past form of the verb. And those who want to compare between simple present tense and simple past tense, and if they want to refer simple present tense again, then they can go to lecture number 12 in our playlist, and they can refer to that tense. And even after lecture number 12, all the other lectures were related to simple present tense, all the small things we learned while learning simple present tense, and those things also we are going to learn in this tense as well. So stay tuned guys, and don't skip our video ever, because all the good information always flows through. So let's move on to the next screen, where we are going to see the practice sentences of simple past tense. So here we have the first sentence, positive and negative both are there. We need to practice negatives as well, because both are equally important while writing, speaking, and understanding in English. Positive sentence, first positive sentence says, I learned the simple past tense today, and I have highlighted the thing which changes in negative sentences. So the learned becomes did not learn in negative of simple past tense. So the past form of the verb is used in positive sentences only, and the simple form of verb is used in negative. So we have the negative sentence here, that I did not learn the simple present tense today, and I try to make negative sentences in such a way that it does not change the meaning of positive sentence. So here we have the second sentence as well. So I'm going to give you 10 sentences guys today, and we will go through all these nitty-gritty, all the small things of grammar that we learned in simple present tense, and we are going to compare them with today's tense of simple past tense as well. So second example says that I translated Hindi sentences into English. I did not translate Hindi sentences into English. So translated and did not translate. See, this is the difference in positive and negative sentences. The third sentence is there on your screen now. My friend went to America last Sunday. Negative, my friend did not go to Europe last Sunday. So I changed from America to Europe, so that the meaning does not change either side, right? Let's move on to the next. They got 10 years visa last month. They did not get 10 years visa this month. So that's the thing that I changed in this sentence number 4. So try and copy down these sentences guys. I'm going to give you more sentences are coming on your way. So don't go away, don't just stay tuned, and I would like to request you to copy down these sentences so that you can get an idea that how to make sentences in English, how to write them using various rules, and how to add variety in them by doing applying various structures like double verb, single verb, after, while, before, and so on. So here we have fifth sentence, I started to learn good English. Negative sentence, I did not start to learn poor English. Sixth is on the way, India defeated Australia to win the World Cup. India did not defeat England to win the World Cup. So here another thing is there guys, that you can also note down or make a list of vocabulary as well. The words that come across you while learning these lectures are really very important. They are not one-off, they are not used one-off, they can be used so many times in future, in coming course of action. So try to make a list of words as well. If you have any query, any doubt, you can raise your concerns in comment section. We have seventh sentence here. People celebrated Baisakhi by flying kites. People did not celebrate Baisakhi by playing games. Another sentence, they played music while flying kites. They did not play bhajans while flying kites. So all these sentences tell you how to add variety while flying, by flying. All these double verb sentences number 5, 6, you saw them as double verb sentences. Let's move on to the next screen, guys. And ninth numbered sentence is there. Leo English Hub helped me in learning English. Leo English Hub did not help me in learning French. Right, good. 10th sentence is, I revised the first lecture before watching the second. I did not skip. Here I changed the verb itself. I didn't skip the first lecture before watching the second. So you should always try doing this on our channel, that if you want to learn effectively and step by step, just go to playlist and start with the first lecture, one day one lecture, then take another second lecture on the another day, on the next day. And this is how you can learn. Practice hard, follow the instruction, and I hope this lecture would also cater you some good information about simple past tense, another tense in a row. So I would like to request you to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much for supporting us, guys. Thank you.